Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So tonight we are seeing markets still contained by the fear of coronavirus. So gold's made a bit of a statement coming back tonight after yesterday's decline. We are seeing a little bit of rejection at the highs at the moment, but we're still seeing close to 1% gain for gold after yesterday's pullback. Oil was a bit interesting earlier this evening. Still remains below the February low, so there's new lows for oil tonight, and we see that break that came in earlier in tonight's European session of 49.39. We've been down to all the way down to 49 even, so definitely keep an eye on oil tonight. If this continues, we could see a move possibly back into the 48 or possibly 47 area, depending on how things go later in the session towards the US. Now European stocks were starting to see a bit of a fight back, but we're absolutely hammered earlier. So the German 30 CFD was down to nearly 2.5%. It's clawed some of that back now, as we can see, and the UK 100 is nearly in a positive after trading down a sharp amount again in tonight's session. So at one stage it was trading over 1% lower, and the CAC was really felt the brunt of sellers on the earlier in the European session. Was down well over 2%, but is clawed back. This is the France 40 we're looking at now. It's clawed back 1.55%. It's just a small amount in the red at the moment. So a lot will come down to the US session tonight, how things progress. We are seeing a bit of a pullback here. The US 30 did make it down to the 1.69% lower, but we are seeing a small fight back at the moment. So that's really what we're looking to see now. When are we going to see a bottom come into this? There has been warnings made to the US about to prepare for a possible outbreak and of even a possible pandemic. So that did get the markets going a bit, but we are starting to see a little bit of a fight back. The Aussie was another affected tonight. It's traded down to 65.69. These furthering new lows for February and into multi-year highs, not seen since the GFC. So definitely keep a good eye on the US session tonight. Last night we did see a bit of a pullback before the US session crumbled once again. Will we see something a little bit different tonight? Is this starting to become a bit overblown? Markets starting to become oversold, and will we see a bit of a respite come back in from buyers? But I'm not saying we are going to see higher prices tonight, but at some stage things do need to turn around and reverse, just due to the order of markets and how they operate. So keep an eye on it, and things are still very edgy, and we'll see how things progress into tonight's US session. So bye for now. Have a very good night's trade, and good trading till tomorrow.